In this video, I'm going to give you some advanced targeting techniques in YouTube advertising to help your business level up. My name is Eric Siu. I am the co-host of the Marketing School podcast and the host of the Growth Everywhere podcast. I'm going to pull in someone from the team to get you what you need to level up, and I'll see you afterwards.
Hey everyone, Ramsey from Single Grain here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 advanced targeting techniques on YouTube that you can take into your marketing strategy. First off, we've got ninja placements. What are ninja placements? You're probably wondering that. A ninja placement ad is when you serve your video on a very specific channel or a very specific YouTube video. This is moving away from the idea of very broad, scalable audiences to being very precise and segmented with your audience. So what's a very useful example of this? Let's say you are selling a virtual reality accessory product. You know all your customers own a virtual reality headset and you want to reach those people. With ninja placements, you can target Oculus Rift's channel. You can target specific videos that are showing people how to set up their virtual reality rig at home and get your message right in front of those people. Number 2 on the list, we have behavior-based retargeting. I like to use that word because it's a little different than what I see a lot of people doing, which is just using retargeting lists in a very general way where you're retargeting your entire website traffic. I think it's important to try and take a data-driven approach using tools like Google Analytics and really identifying what behaviors on your website actually correlate to higher conversion rates. So maybe people visiting specific pages, people who are spending a certain amount of time on your website or viewing a certain amount of pages per session. Those are all things you can segment into a retargeting list to pull together to really hone in on the people who are most likely to purchase in your customer funnel. You can even take this a step further and retarget people based on behavior on your YouTube channel, ranging from people who have subscribed to people who have watched specific videos or even commented on a video as well. So last on our list for today is custom affinity audiences. What are custom affinity audiences? Long story short, they're basically a tool you can use to target website traffic of your competitors' websites. This is super powerful and is somewhat underutilized in my opinion at the moment. So first thing you want to do when you're leveraging this tool is just identify who your competitors are in the space that are most relevant to you. Hopefully you already know this. If not, go do the research, find their URLs, and just input them into this tool. Once you've done that, Google will basically analyze people who are viewing that website and create a custom audience based on all that data, including them and some more people. It's super powerful. Once you've got this audience created, you can then go on and start serving them ads on YouTube. So those are our 3 YouTube targeting tips. I'm gonna send it back to you, Eric. Thanks for taking the time to listen, everyone.
All right, so hope you enjoyed that. Leave in the comments below